Photos everywhere. Google providing unlimited storage for photos lately. Photo editing apps on smartphones are becoming way more popular than they were ever before. Now, here's EVT's take on the top 4 editing apps on Android. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Topping the list, we have VSCO, which comes courtesy of VSCO Labs, which is a pretty popular app on the Play Store. It has 50 million downloads and 4.4 rating. Do note that it has a premium subscription and you only get a trial for 7 days, after which you have to pay for the premium. I do recommend getting a premium subscription for this app because it has amazing presets which you don't have access to if you don't have one. Here's a preview of the app, and this is a picture we have edited previously, and this is what a previous picture looked like without editing in or using any of the filters, and this is what it looks like after editing. The second app we have on our list is Snapseed, which comes courtesy of Google itself, and it's a pretty known and popular app. It has 50 million downloads and 4.5 rating on the Play Store. If you don't know how to use it, or if you haven't heard about this, you are seriously living under a rock. And if you want to learn more about this, you can check out our video right on the right corner after watching this one, of course. Jumping right next, we have Adobe's own Lightroom for phones, and I don't need to talk much about Adobe. We all know and love Adobe for its post-processing and editing, and sure, it has 10 million downloads and 4.3 on the scale, but you really need to use this app to get to know what it is. Previously, you should have to create a cloud account to use this, but now, cheers to Adobe, you don't have to do it anymore, and you seriously have to go check out this app because it has some amazing presets. Do mind you have to buy a premium package for having all the presets, so do check out this app from Adobe, that's the Lightroom CC. Last but not the least, we have the VSCO Cam on our list, which comes courtesy of XN Apps from Italy, and do mind you that this is only a black and white app. It has 1 million downloads and 4.5 on the scale, but this has a camera app of its own, and these filters are pretty amazing and you get to do a great work using this app. All the links of this apps will be down in the description. If you want to download them, do hit them, and thanks for watching.